to the audience, send the message across, na, which I appreciate about my son also. Alam niya kung gaano kadali nakapasok, but you know, what comes after that, nakapasok ka na, yun ang magmamatter. The hard work, your talent, discipline, and professionalism.
Kasi siya, wala pang isang taon, di ba?
Kapag sa taon, millionaire.
Correct.
Kaya nakakatakot yung bitawan kasi yung exposure niya sa showbiz. Now, he has friends. Sabi nga ni Ian, she has to constantly remind herself na anak ko si Inigo, di ba? Because she sees Inigo now on his own. Tapos parang sinasama-sama ko lang dati now. He has his own group of friends. He has his own production number. So, it's weird. Pero nandyan eh.
Nalula ka talaga.
Mura na nalulula, tuloy yun, natatakot ako. Natatakot ako for him. Because nandyan lahat eh. You know, you just have to be wise kung ano yung pipiliin mo. And also the people that you're gonna hang out with.
Pero hindi niya, ina-advise mo rin bang gumamit ng sili kasi inigo.
Ayun ang vain na bata. Yun ang vain. Binenda. Sinatok na ako gabi. Isang oras yata sa banyo eh. Siguro pinagdadaanan yun eh. Pinagdadaanan talaga yun. So at least, you know, once makita niya yung sarili niya, ma-realize yung anong maganda sa kanya, kung yung hindi, mas mabilis na. Pwede na siyang 2 minutes na lang sa shower.
Last question sa'yo. Tuloy na daw ba, sabi ni Alan, yung movie with Sarah?
I can't speak about that because hindi pa sila nagpipitch ulit. Yung assignment ko kasi, do my backstory for the movie. Kaso, with the recent developments, parang hindi na yata tuloy yung Sarah, but I cannot speak for Star Cinema, so I'll only find out once I meet with them next week kung ano yung matutuloy.
Pero may matutuloy na with Sarah.
Baka hindi with Sarah. Yeah.
Yung ginagamit mo bang sabon, pinapagamit mo rin kay Drew?
Kasi
O meron siyang sarili ng sabon?
isa lang naman yung sabon na nandun sa banyo namin.
Sabi ni
Sabi
Alan,
ni Aster,
madalas mo
wala
daw
siyang
bang,
choice.
madalas mo daw bang sabunin si Drew?
Sasabitin ko ba yan?
Ha? Sabunin mo na. Mag-asawa kayo, di ba?
Hindi kaya kahiya kasi. Maybe in the heart reach areas. Like the back! Di ba kayo? Aray. Di ba? Aray. No, but actually hindi. Hindi ko siya kailangan sabutin in any way. Whether physically or verbally. Hindi.
Pero hindi naman siya katulad ni EJ na 2 minutes lang maligo.
Hindi. Siya, 3 times a day. Sobrang shower boy siya.
Mas pa sa'yo,
So, more pa than me. Shower boy talaga siya.
shower.
Kapag naghahabol lang kami ng oras, yun lang. But nothing sensual ha. Baka kayo ha, baka mamaya.
Hindi, depende yung sa headline, di ba?
But no, it's not something that we do all the time. It's just if we're trying to save time and if we're trying to save water.